Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and I'm a trainee solicitor at a city law firm. And in this video I'd like to talk about personal statements, admission tests and interviews, and where do you get help and support with those if you come from a disadvantaged background and your school offers you no help. So I did 3 programs that I'd like to talk about. The first one is Social Mobility Foundation, and as part of that program I received work placements with top employers, chambers, law firms. I also had a mentor that helped me with any questions that I had, gave me career advice. And I also was able to take part in many workshops that were designed to help to understand what admission tutors are looking for in personal statements, how to write a personal statement, and what makes a great personal statement different to not so great. And the second program is run by Sutton Trust and it's called Pathways to Law, and very similar to the Mobility Foundation, you also get opportunity to have placements with top employers, which again look great on your personal statement, and you know that can be used to as a reason why you want to study subject like law at university. And again, you take part in workshops that help you with your personal statement and help you with admission tests as well, like LNAT. Sometimes you hear people say that, you know, it's not something you need to prepare for, you can just go and sit it, but in my case I found it really helpful to practice LNAT and to have workshops that are specifically focused on how to approach an admission test like that is really helpful, and how to prepare as well. And the third program that I want to talk about is called Oxbridge Applications, and this is very different to the other two, which you know, they focus just on young people who come from disadvantaged backgrounds. Oxbridge Applications is a program where you would normally pay for any type of support to the personal statement, admission tests or interviews, but they have an access program which is designed for young people who come from disadvantaged backgrounds but want to study at Oxford or Cambridge. And I found this program to be very good. I took part in again workshops that helped with personal statements. Also had an opportunity to sit mock LNAT exam and received feedback for that. That was very detailed, so you could understand where you went wrong or why a particular answer is correct. And I also attended workshops that helped with interview practice, and they were like really challenging because you have more or less kind of realistic examples of what you will experience at a real interview, which I found really helpful. And again, you have kind of mock interview that you go through and you get detailed feedback in the end on things that you need to improve on, things you need to practice, and things you've done well as well, which is really helpful. My one take from all of these 3 programs is that if you are thinking about applying to university and you know you soon you'll be doing or going through the admission process, writing your personal statement and sitting your admission test as well, is to prepare and to do good research to get an understanding as to what exactly the admission tutors are looking for, because it can be a very difficult process to navigate if you don't have the right guidance. That's why programs that I've mentioned are so great, because they give it to you, and they give it to you for free, and that is so invaluable, because I know so many students that spend a lot of money just to prepare them for example, LNAT or for interview at Oxford. But this advice is free, and it's from people who really know what they're talking about, and you can trust that you will be able to improve and do better and have like a really good standard, good quality personal statement. So if you have any questions at all on any of the programs that I've mentioned, if you need any help or support or any questions at all, then please put them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. And thank you for watching this video.